Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening guys. I hope you're doing well wherever you are. I hope you're doing good. So today I'm gonna show you something that you should put on for YouTube to recommend your videos. Yeah, there's some features in the YouTube studios that you need to put on for YouTube to recommend your videos. So that's what you are going to do today. I'm gonna show you how or where you're supposed to put on for YouTube to recommend all of your videos, not the recent one, not the old one, not the one in the middle, but all of your videos. So let us go in the YouTube studio and I show you. So we are going to our YouTube studio through my Chrome. I think I had shown you guys how to go to your YouTube studio using Chrome, guys. So we're already here because I was here doing something else. So here is where you're supposed to put on for YouTube to recommend all of your videos. As you can see here, we have for you, YouTube recommends fresh content based on your viewers' interest. This is only visible to your viewers when you have enough content. Yeah, so when you have enough content is when you're supposed to use this feature, or is when YouTube will help you to use this feature. So you click where they have written more setting, and this is the features that I'm talking about, guys. What to include in for you section. The for you section will be visible to your viewers when you have enough content. Here we are, guys. You need to have videos, you need to have shorts, you need to have live stream. Down here, all content recommended. YouTube always update for you section with fresh content. Recent content only, content that you have posted in the past 12 months. So here it says for you to for the YouTube to recommend all of your videos, you have to put this on the way I've done mine here. But if you want your recent videos only to go, YouTube to recommend only your new videos for 12 months, you have to put this on. You see where I have tapped? And this button, if they are like this in your studio, if they are like this in your studio, please turn it on like that, and then you choose all content if you have enough content. Yeah, if you have enough content is about 50 videos. Yeah, enough content is about 50 videos, because even if you want to do live, you need to have 50 videos and above. You need to have 50 videos and above. You need to have 50 subscribers and above. So here is where you turn on. Normally you'll find it like that, but you have to tap it like this to turn it on, and then you tap on this top one for all content. Allow YouTube to recommend all of your content, guys, all of them. All of them. Allow YouTube to recommend all of your content, and then when you finish, you click done. Click done, and then make sure anything you do in the YouTube studio, I repeat again, make sure anything you do in the YouTube studio, on your right we have publish. You click that to save any changes, anything that you have add, or anything you have done in your studio. Make sure you click on publish. Yeah, make sure you click on publish, guys. So that's how you you allow YouTube to recommend your videos in the YouTube Studio. Just go YouTube Studio through Chrome, and then you click where I've shown you guys, and then you put that buttons on. So that's how you recommend your videos. If you want to recommend only the new videos, you're good to go, but I would prefer you to put on all content. Yeah, allow YouTube to recommend your videos, all of them, for you. Yeah, if you put it on all content, YouTube will do that for you. So that feature will help you to grow. That feature will help you to get more subscribers. That feature will help you to your channel to move on faster. That feature will help you to get more subscribers. Yeah, guys, it will help you all of that. So thank you so much. Let us meet in the next video. Remember, we are making baby steps here. Down, we stand up, we wipe ourselves, and we continue the journey until we make it. So bye bye. Keep in mind, I love you. See you in the next video.